Here I have UleFone Note 13P, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have volume key feature, so you can set it just to volume, shutter or zoom. So let's check how zoom works. So as you can see now, by pressing volume keys I can zoom in or zoom out my camera. Pretty nice. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.